Okay, so managed to repair the logic circuit card. That goes into the card frame on the cat, on the control unit. The cat 154 had two logic circuit card switching circuit cards there. So I only got stereo mode playing through at the moment on vinyl. Don't have to, but I can put it on a feed a Pro Logic signal through if I wanted to. Got the Dolby tone on. That's what it sounds like. So the other A-type cards are plugged in there. I'm still convinced the tone is also generated through another part of the CP200. As to which card, I don't know, because if you use an A-type card plugged in, it will generate an oscillating tone that's around about the 800 Hz range. So, and that's why it sounds the way it does, because it's oscillating, and there's so many of them running. So if I were to mute the surround, mute one of the screen channel, close the hatch, turn the fader up. Oh, I've still got, yeah, there we go. I thought I had it on the other mode. Got several modes there. That's it. So there's also another pulse signal with it. So that's okay, it's working. I had another A-type card that I think it's plugged in there now. I couldn't figure out why it wasn't allowing the signal to go through for the oscillating tone. Swapping the cards around, and figured it had some sort of funny going on with it, and it's very difficult to, because there's no IC circuits on the card. It's a very sort of kind of complex filtering sort of thing. A few of the lights on the, so there might be resistor blue on them, or the bulb blue. I think maybe something else. Maybe the bulb. Because one of these both suddenly all didn't go on, and then I'm swapping the cars around, put it back in, and I gave it a little tap. Kind of came back on. Doing that, it's not going. So there's another thing to fix. Oh, just looks neat with the light turned on with it. But it's very awkward for the camera to focus on the light. It has to get very close. But you can still see those illuminated with some of the room light that's reflecting onto it. So that's a Dolby tone going through. And I need to get the cards for the MPU1, because then I think it networks, and you'll be able to adjust the level, because it sort of all loops through and so forth. I think you'll be able to adjust the level here, because these levels should be down to about that position where the little dot is. That'll be a reference level. It's a very complicated processor, very complicated.